Mommy has a plumber friend who comes to lay some pipe. The leak must be extra bad, cause he stays till late at night. He seems to be a man of many talents, cause next week he made a doctor stop. She must have been super brave. I can hear she got a lollipop. Then he came as a fireman, though the house was not on fire. That's nice, he comes to rescue Mommy, who keeps getting stuck in the dryer. People laugh and say she's their favorite actress. Every time we go to the store, I think she's making action movies and is always quite sore.
Oh, great heavens!